Hello, my name is Neil. Welcome to Mason Auto Sales. It's a small family-owned business. We specialize in selling Ford Crown Victoria's police interceptors. This is an '08 blue Crown Victoria. Brand new tires, rust-free, bucket seats, tan interior, fire suppression system. Like I mentioned, brand new tires. You got one plugged hole on the trunk and one on top. Always unmarked, very clean inside out. This is just dirt here. It hasn't been detailed for a while. Ready to go, clean title on hand. Absolutely a great running car. If you have any questions, you could call me at 330-333-5931. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions, give you more information, or even give you advice on how to find a clean piece of new one, what to look for, and stuff like that. Mechanically sound, no leaks, all factory options in working order. Most of my P71s are in the same mechanical and condition, overall condition, very clean. Thank you guys. Take care.